personal requests. During each bracha of Shemona Esrei, one may add her own personal request that is related to the topic on that particular bracha. Okay. For example, bracha Refaeinu, one may insert Tefillah for a sick person. So it's not in it's not in each blessing of the Shemona Esrei. I mean, there are specific blessings of the Shemona Esrei when you allowed to add like personal request. For example, this Refeinu is for 6 people. So there is a special formula how you say it and where exactly you insert it. If you check your Siddur, it should be there, and you can list the whole list of people you have, right? So I have many people that I'm praying for sick people, right? Always insert there. There is no problem. During the bracha Shema Aleinu, one may add any personal request since it is a broad-based bracha in which one asks to be answered with regard to all matters. Okay, so in Shema Aleinu, Shema Aleinu means hear our voice, right? Shema Aleinu. So there, if you check your Siddur, it's actually there is a special formula of requests for Parnasa and something else. I don't remember what else. Like two things that we can request in that blessing. But since it says hear our voice, so if you need to say some other things, so they allow for a woman to say other things. And plus, if one forgot to say something before, so it's actually like it's a place where you can add missing things. The Shema Aleinu. Hear our voice. Continue. The poskim debate whether this addition must be recited in Lashon HaKodesh or whether one may say them in one's own language, in which she is more fluent. The matter of practical halachah, if one feels that she can better express herself in language other than Lashon HaKodesh, she may do so. Okay, so it's a very interesting point because let's say right, some people she learned how to pray in Hebrew, right? Or she's a Hebrew speaker, not a good example. So she learned how to pray in Hebrew. I mean, after you say so many times the same words, you would memorize. But these additions, they like. For some reason, she cannot memorize. She does not want to memorize, and she wants to have a more kavana, more concentration when she prays for all of the sick people. All right, so she can say it in, as we said, in any language she wants. I mean, any language she does understand. So you're allowed to pray in any language that you do understand, or Hebrew, even if you don't understand. But you're not allowed to pray in a language other than Hebrew, right? That you do not understand. So if you do not understand French or Chinese, so you're not allowed to pray in Chinese. Okay. But in Hebrew, you're allowed, even though you did not understand.